mga ka-Zen Portals, ngayon ay may bago tayong reading. Pero yung reading natin ngayon ay tungkol sa mga life update. No? So, this is not a pick a card reading. So, ibig sabihin, yung reading natin ngayon ay wala tayong pagpipilian. Okay? So, ito ay just life update for your life. No? So, aalamin lang natin kung ano yung ganap sa buhay mo ngayon at ano may mga dapat mong gawin. Okay, so, we'll have the reading. Kukumustahin lang natin ang bawat isa. Mga nakikinig ngayon, ano bang ganap sa buhay mo ngayon. So, again, yung reading natin ngayon ay tungkol sa life update mo, kung anong ganap sa buhay mo ngayon, ano ba yung mga nasa paligid mo, lahat-lahat na in general to. So, this is not a pick a card reading, this is a general reading for everyone. It means wala tayong pagpipilian ng mga piles. Ang kailangan mo naman gawin ay makinig sa ating reading ngayon. So, ano nga ba yung mga ganap mo sa buhay ngayon? Okay, for those people na nakasubaybay sa akin, I feel the energy na parang nakakapagod. Recently, you are so tired. Parang pagod na pagod ka sa lahat ng bagay na ginagawa mo sa buhay mo. Parang dumarating na sa case minsan na parang you don't know what you are living for na. Parang saan pa ba itong ginagawa? Okay, so in short, pagod ka na. Okay? So, yun ang ating energy check that we have for today. So, alamin natin bakit nga ba parang pagod ka o pagod ang ating we have Ace of Cups in reverse. So, ito yung pinaka main card natin and this one is in reverse. So, Cups kasi natin is a water element. So, ibig sabihin, emotions to. So, medyo magulo yung emotions mo. Kaya naman ay parang you're not feeling well. Maaaring may sakit ka din ngayon. Okay? That's why you feel tired. Parang feeling mo, ang dami mong ginagawa sa life. You need to take a break. Pero hindi ka makapag-break, hindi ka makapag-vacation, hindi mo magawa. Kasi ang dami mong kailangan gawin. So, parang mapupuno na. Okay? That's the energy check natin. So, ano pa ba? Okay, Nine of Pentacles. Okay, mukhang busy ka sa trabaho mo ngayon. Mukhang masaya ka naman when it comes to work aspect natin. Kung sa fulfillment, when it comes to financial, mukhang okay ka naman. But, medyo struggle lang sa emotion kasi nga parang you feel tired talaga. Okay? Next, we have the Nine of Wands. Okay? And then next, we have 10 of Wands. Okay. Mukhang gusto mo na nga talaga magbakasyon. Gusto mo, parang you are planning to leave something. No? At mukhang desidido ka na talaga din. Kasi dito sa 9 of Wands, parang you're just planning for it. Pero dito sa 10 of Wands, mukhang gagawin mo na talaga siya. It's either you will leave the job na bigat sa buhay mo, and you feel like para bang ang toxic, though it's fulfilling dahil sa financial aspect. Or it could be also na dahil nga okay financial aspect mo ay makakapag-travel ka sa kung man gustong pumunta. Ibig sabihin parang ikaw ay ibig sabihin yan may fulfillment naman na mangyayari. Okay, you just need to take time or to relax in a place na makakapagpahinga ka. Yun ang kailangan mo eh. So, another card to use. Ano nga bang energy ng ating mga tagapakinig ngayon? Energy check. King of Wands. Okay, mukhang may pag-travel ka ng gagawin at mukhang maghanap ka at love life. Okay, 6 of coins. So, meron dito okay, kasi parang related tong dalawa eh. Okay. Mukhang, okay. The Empress. I think when it comes to financial, I could say na energy update lang naman to. Okay ka, you're good. But mentally, emotionally, maybe I think you need to have time for that. Kailangan mo maglaan ng oras para sa sarili mo, para makapagpahinga ka to refresh, to unwind. Kung may sakit ka ngayon, magpagaling ka, you really need to do that. No? Siya at the same time, kung mayroon gusto i-voice out, gusto sabihin mo. Okay? The moon. Oo. Sabihin mo para wala ng secret. Para wala ng secret. Wala ng sekreto. Okay? Sabihin mo na lang. Halimbawa, kung may feelings ka dun sa isang tao, sabihin mo na. Huwag mo na itago pa. Kung gusto mo mag-file ng leave kasi you're not feeling well talaga, edi mag-file ka ng leave sa work mo. If you really need to file a leave for the sake for you to enjoy your life, magpahinga ka, mag-travel ka, do it. You need that. Okay, you need to take time to have good moments in your life na hindi lang puro work. You also need to rest. Okay? So, last cards before we end this energy update for the people who are listening in this video, for whoever na mag-resonate to. So, energy update, ano ba yung message, oracle cards na gusto sabihin sa iyo ng universe. So, let's have wellness. Alagaan mo din kalusugan mo, wellness. So, the recovery of health and wellness is here. Magpagaling ka. Mukhang may sakit ka nga. Okay. So, ito pa. Yellow Jasper, control issues, utilize your God-given strength and power instead of fearing that others may try to control you. Okay, medyo parang siguro nagkaka-problem ka. I think meron kang problem siguro, hindi okay yung pakiramdam mo, especially in your emotion. Siguro medyo nahihirapan ka o nagugulhan ka. Try balancing masculine and feminine energies. Allow your feminine side to creatively inspire you and your masculine side to give you confidence. So, kasi kailangan balance tong dalawang to. Hindi pwedeng mas malamang yung feminine, hindi rin pwedeng mas malamang yung masculine. Dapat balance sila. Kasi mahirap talaga yung imbalance sila. So, that's for the Crystal Angels Oracle cards. Now, let's proceed for the energy update. Last messages that the universe want to tell you for the energy update is, let's have this one. Okay. Ano bang gusto sabihin ng universe sa'yo? The Thorn. Protection, boundaries, clear communication. Yun yung sabi ko kanina. Kung meron kang gusto sabihin mo na. Okay, baka kaya hindi okay yung throat mo ngayon, inuubo ka, nagkaka-sore throat ka, kasi meron kang something na kinikip sa sarili mo na hindi mo masabi. So, sabihin mo yan, para mawala na yan. And protection, boundaries, you know that na already, no? So, kung sa tingin mo hindi tama yung ginagawa sa'yo, you need to speak up. Next, whispers of Mother Earth, creativity, ideas, inspiration, artist, writer, channel. So, if you would notice, halos lahat naka-invoice ng mga messages. Pero hinarap ko lang para mas mabasa natin ng mga ayos. So, medyo nawawala na yung creativity mo kasi nga parang pagod ka na. You need to take time, you need to rest para mabalik yung creativity mo, yung ideas, no? Ang dami mo kasi magaling ka, ang dami mo pwedeng gawin sa buhay mo, ang dami mong ginagawa. To the point na, syempre, napapagod ka. Ayun, sumusuko din yung katawan mo. And mental health, ingatan mo yung mental health mo. Okay, next we have the second bloom. A second chance, it's never too late. May possibilities. So, again, kung may ang katao na kaalitan at kailangan mong hihingan ng tawad o kailangan mong patawarin, you take time for that. Okay? Hindi naman ibig sabihin na nagpatawad ka ikaw na yung talo. Remember that when you forgive, what you will receive is freedom. Tandaan mo yun. Forgiveness is freedom. You do not forgive just for the sake of that person who hurt you, but for the sake of your freedom. Because you will never be free. You will not have that good mental health or peace of mind if you just keep that to yourself. So, better to let it go, surrender it all to God, and then pray that everything will happen is in God's in control. So, si God lang ang control ng lahat at hindi yung mga tao sa paligid mo, hindi ikaw din mismo, kundi ang Diyos. Hayaan mo na ang Diyos ang mamuhay sa buhay mo at hayaan mo siya ang kumontrol sa buhay mo at hindi ang mga tao sa paligid mo. So, that is your energy check-up or energy update. Siguro meron mga gustong magpa-energy update for this week. So, kung makaya ko to every week before the week for the next day mag-start, Monday, every Sunday, kung kakayanin, ay mag-energy check-up ako for everyone, spiritually speaking, not medically. So, yun lang, mga Katwin Fertile, thank you for supporting, for your constant support, for your relaying this channel to everyone para makatulong din sa iba. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we'll see you in our next readings. By the way, I will upload a pick a card reading again. So, check it out and it will be coming soon. So, see you for that reading. Thank you and God bless you.